Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to send crypto with very low fees by using the right wallets, networks, and transfer methods. First, understand that most crypto transactions always involve some form of network fee, but the amount depends on the blockchain you choose. For example, networks like Ethereum can be expensive, while others like Solana, Tron, or Binance Smart Chain usually have much lower transaction costs. To get started, open your crypto wallet and select the coin you want to send, such as USDT, USDC, or another supported asset. Now tap on Send, and you'll be asked to choose a network. This step is very important because fees change depending on which network you select. For lower fees, choose a network like TRC20, Tron, BEP20, BSC, or Solana if both wallets support it. Next, enter the recipient's wallet address carefully and double check the network matches on both sides. Using the wrong network can result in lost funds. Before confirming, you'll see the transaction fee displayed. On low cost networks, this fee is usually very small compared to Ethereum mainnet. Some exchanges also offer internal transfers, while sending between users of the same platform is either free or almost free. After reviewing everything, confirm the transaction and wait for blockchain confirmation. Faster networks will complete the transfer within seconds or minutes. And that's it. By choosing the right network and using internal transfers when available, you can significantly reduce crypto transfer fees.